Hi, it's Patrick with E38. Has your RS4 stopped taking a charge and is seemingly unresponsive? In this short video, I'll show you how to remedy this state. First, let's plug in our USB-C charger. This will be necessary in the case that your RS4 entered this unresponsive state and the battery has depleted in the time since it started. As we can see, there's no LED behavior indicating charging, which is part of the issue. If we then hold the power button for approximately 7 or 8 seconds, we should see the two outer LEDs turn blue, indicating a reboot. If we continue to hold the button for an additional 7 to 8 seconds, those will turn red, indicating a hard reset of the RS4. Rebooting after the hard reset and a little patience will bring the RS4 back to a normal operational state. In some cases, you may need to try this a few times, or wait a few minutes, like in this example where the battery had almost fully depleted. This has been Patrick with E38 Survey Solutions. Thanks for watching.